In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to redeem Nitro gift codes on Discord Mobile. This special codes lets you activate Discord Nitro, a premium subscription service for users. Whether you got a code as a gift or brought one yourself, we'll guide you through the steps to redeem it. First, open the web browser and visit discord.com/login. Now, log into your Discord account. Once you are logged in, tap the button in the bottom left corner and select Request Mobile Website. Next, tap the three lines in the top left corner and tap the gear icon at the bottom left. This will open the settings page. From there, go to the gift inventory where you'll have the option to redeem your Nitro gift code. Enter a valid code and tap redeem. And that's how you redeem Discord Nitro gift codes on your mobile device. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.